1340 96.5 KVGC in the news for today. The Amador County School Board received news on a COVID-19 vaccine for school staff and started the process for selecting a replacement for the retiring school superintendent. It was announced during last night's meeting that the staff of the Amador County Unified School District will be receiving the vaccine against the COVID-19 virus. A pair of clinic days next Wednesday and the following Wednesday have been scheduled for the administration of the vaccine. It's expected that enough vaccine doses are available to administer shots to all district employees, some 400 people in all. It was also announced that the district will be starting a new high-speed testing regime for the coronavirus. The new system will provide test results 24 to 48 hours after taking a test. The board also last night debated the process of finding a replacement for Dr. Amy Slavinsky. The head of the Unified School District announced her retirement at the end of June last week. The board approved the hiring of the executive search firm Leadership Associates to conduct the recruitment. The firm was used when Slavinsky was hired in 2016. The action was approved on a 3-2 vote, with Jim Whitaker and Julia Burns opposed over concerns the process was rushed and bids from other firms were not sought. The price tag for the search will be $21,500.
Well, in a somewhat surprise move to many county health departments, Governor Newsom yesterday announced immediately California residents 65 and older have been added to those allowed to get the coronavirus vaccines. The announcement came even as counties complain they already do not have enough doses to go around. Well, this move follows recommendations Tuesday from the U.S. Center for Disease Control and Prevention. Health officials note that prioritizing individuals age 65 and older will reduce hospitalizations and save lives. Now, also announced to start next week a new system to let people know if they're eligible to get a vaccine. If residents are not yet eligible, the system will allow them to register for a text or email notification when they do become eligible. Now, locally, Common Ground Senior Services announced yesterday if members of our community, 60 and older, need transportation for the COVID-19 vaccine shot, to please call them. Again, that's Common Ground at 223-3015.
And there's some good news and some bad news out of Calaveras County dealing with the state's new vaccination plan. Yesterday, Governor Newsom announced that the state is modifying that plan to move all people aged 65 and older to Phase 1B, Tier 1. Now, this represents more than 10,000 residents in Calaveras County, not including other categories of people who would also be included in Phase 1B. As of today, Calaveras County Public Health reports they only have a few hundred vaccine doses available and are only scheduled to receive 100 more doses next week. With that said, county health officials, while they appreciate the state's shared interest in vaccinating the most vulnerable population, say the unfortunate reality is the state has not sent sufficient supplies to cover the modified vaccination plan. When a significant supply of the vaccine arrives, they will be able to begin scheduling vaccination clinics.
Well, the Amador County Sheriff Office asking for the public's help in identifying a trio of purse snatchers. According to reports, back on December 23rd around 1 in the afternoon, the three female subjects stole a purse from a parked vehicle at the Valero gas station on 88 in Pine Grove. Photos of the suspects and vehicle obtained from surveillance video have been posted on the KVGC Facebook page. The three subjects driving a silver Chevy GMC with a license plate number similar to 4H B as in boy 577 with one unknown digit. If you have any info or know the identity of any of the three subjects in the surveillance videos that are posted on ours and the Sheriff Office Facebook page, please contact the Sheriff Office or the Secret Witness Hotline at 223-4900.
And again, a quick reminder for you, the Foothill Conservancy presents musician-storyteller John McCutcheon in a virtual performance on Saturday, 4 o'clock. It'll be just like seeing John on stage, except from the comfort of your own home. In fact, John will be in the comfort of his own home as well. We had a chance to talk with John earlier in the week about the concert. Now, tickets are $20 general admission, $30 for family and household, $10 for students, and $5 for the unemployed or laid off. It's going to be a great show. It's going to be presented on the mandolin format, on the mandolin platform, which is uncompressed audio and video, so it will sound like nothing you've heard before. So I'm really serious about that. Now, tickets are on sale through the Foothill Conservancy website, foothillconservancy.org. For more info, you can give Carolyn a call at 223-3508.
And a reminder from the Amador Health Department, coronavirus testing in Amador County has changed locations from the St. Catherine Drexel Catholic Church to the rear parking lot at the County Health and Human Service Building on Conductor Boulevard off Lower Ridge. Now, to register, visit lhi.care/COVID testing. Again, that's lhi.care/COVID testing, or call 1-888-634-1123. Testing will be held 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday, Wednesday, and Saturdays.
And that's a look at local news on a Gold Country Thursday morning from the KVGC News Center.
I'm JD.
And I'm Jim Geedy reporting. Remember, for the latest news, traffic, and weather 24 hours a day, visit our website. That's kvgcradio.com.